My experience with Berkeys technician has always been very positive. They are on time, they give you free advice when they could come. The technician is really knowledgeable professional, and also they are very nice. They keep my house clean. Very professional, I would say. And that's the reason why I enrolled the annual program with Berkeys, because I trust them. In the past, several other companies come over, they couldn't meet my expectation. So that's the reason why I always highly recommend the people to enroll the annual program. And last time, a couple of weeks ago, because of the winter storm, our house is not warm enough. And I called Berkeys, they came in and they checked out the system, and it's for free because I enrolled the annual maintenance program. So they came us twice actually. And so I'm very impressed.